seeming like a Badlapur horror redux because in Pune, a minor has been molested by a 10th class student. What we do know so far is that parents file a complaint and the accused has been arrested. Shweta Verma, my colleague, joins me for more on that. Shweta, this is absolutely unfortunate news. Shocking to say the least. We're looking at yet another instance of a minor who has been molested. Give us more details as to what we're given to understand at this point of time. Although we do know so far that the accused has been arrested.
Well, that's right, Nivedna. In fact, one by one heinous crime taking place in the state of Maharashtra, and plus while it's emerging, it is again causing a great stress to parents, especially when in educational premises such cases are taking place. Now this one is to deal with Pune case where a 19-year-old, he's allegedly in 10th standard, he has assaulted a minor student in the school premises itself during August 15th. The information what we are gathering so far is that the accused has been arrested. The investigation is underway, but again it arises a very important question that how such incidences are taking place inside an educational premises. Apart from this, what we also understand that the victim is in class 7, and post her complaint, the parents reached out to the police station. Then the action was taken, but it is an unfortunate case where we are seeing that one by one similar cases are emerging, and especially when it comes to parents, they are into some sort of introspection that what exactly is happening, and many of the parents, in fact, they feel that is there something that the children should be going to school or not. But yes, in Pune case, the accused has been already arrested. The minor was in class 7th, and the further investigation is being done by the Pune police on the case.
Right, Shweta. In fact, as you pointed out, like you rightly pointed out, in fact, one could only be worried with the fact that educational institutes is where we're looking at this situation. But stay with me, because you did point out that many such instances, shocking instances coming to light from the state of Maharashtra.